Man, what a good day. I got the beach behind me. It's just been nothing but good, positive vibes because all I attract is positive energy because that's all I embody within myself. My aura is so pure, so positive. I don't talk negative. I don't think negative. I don't project negative thoughts onto people. And that is why I attract positivity back. That is why my life is at a higher frequency and I'm more joyful. I wouldn't say happier because as a man, happiness is not the key to life. I'd say it's purpose because if you're just living to be happy, you become very hedonistic and you're just looking for the next high, the next dopamine hit. So, because you're just basing yourself off how you feel in that moment. But if you're stepping into your purpose, doing things that are hard, you actually can derive joy from it. So I'd say I'm a very joyful person because, I make these videos, I work out, and by working out, my body feels good and I look good. I'm seeing progress. Therefore, I feel, I get joy from that. I make these videos, I'll get a positive comment of someone saying, "Hey, I needed to hear this. Thank you." Like that brings me joy. So, I'm not living to be happy. I'm living to become the greatest version of myself, not only for me, but for the people around me. Because when you do the hard things, when you become a better person, your life is not the only life that's improving. Everyone around you, their lives improve as well because you're leading by example. You're able to provide for them. You're able to show them the way. Your family is only standing as tall as you're standing. So that is why you must step into your purpose. And this is something that I have been lacking the last year or two. I was just very inconsistent. It was very hard for me to stay consistent. But now I'm on vacation. I'm here with my family. And each day I'm consistent with recording a video. Each day I'm consistent with taking care of my health, taking care of my body, eating clean. Every single day I'm consistent now with waking up early. Every day I'm consistent because I am committed to myself and I'm living to be in my purpose instead of living to be happy. That's the message of the day. About to go, about to go hang with the family, see my sister, see my niece. But with that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing day. And, it's nothing but good positive vibes out here. Catch you in the next one. Peace.